Day 4 at drinktec, the global business platform for the beverage and liquid food industries. Here, beverage manufacturers meet filling professionals and developers find new raw materials. In short, drinktec is the fast-forward button for the beverage industry. As in all production sectors, digitalization is the state of the art. The key theme, data to value, stands for data-driven value creation in the beverage industry.
Data to value, collecting data is not a vision, it's reality. So we need this data to improve the efficiency of the plants and the machines.
New products, new recipes, flavor and innovation driven by algorithms. More and more companies are turning to artificial intelligence to transform processes, products, and marketing. The global beverage industry is undergoing rapid change.
We're talking about increasing flexibility, especially when it comes to beverages. That also means our production lines need to become more flexible and switch over faster. The goal is to use AI to optimize these processes, from packaging and filling to the entire logistics behind it. And that's exactly where AI and data to value are perfectly suited.
AI systems analyze machine, production, and sales data all in real time. They take over predictive maintenance and quality assurance in the filling process. They reduce downtime, decrease waste, and increase efficiency.
Digital can really help you get visibility into what's happening in your operations today. It can help you with insights so that you know what's coming at you, and then you can react to those faster.
Human, machine, and AI, this powerful triad will drive the industry forward and leave a lasting impact.